Hello guys, if you have a decent router but still having Wi-Fi issues, this video is for you. So please don't skip the video, watch the whole thing and hopefully your internet problem will go away. I'm showing you the method in which you can use a phone. First download an app called Wi-Fi Analyzer. You can find it in the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, while connecting to your Wi-Fi, open the app. Press OK and OK. Allow all the settings, and for Android 6.0 and up you need GPS. So I'm turning it on. So here you can see a screen. In this screen, sometimes it takes a minute to load. On top here you can see 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Most of the common routers are 2.4 GHz. If you have a 5 GHz router, then it will default to 5 GHz. Mine is 2.4 and this one is selected, and here you can see different type of graphs, all the available access point locations, their approximate distance and their channel. You can see here. So sometimes even if you have a good internet connection, you have a strong connection, the internet experience feels laggy. It always feels like it takes a second to start loading something. This is mainly because of other home appliances and other Wi-Fi routers. In my case there's very few, but if you live in a busy apartment there might be a lot of other Wi-Fi signals interfering with your. So what you want to do is go here and you can see all the available channels that are around you. You have to pick the best one. When you have the best channel, you are golden. And also here you can see the connection distance and also the connection strength. Here you can identify if you are having a low connection issue or a interference issue. The lower the number is the better. In my case it's low enough. So what you're gonna do is go to your specific router's settings. Usually it's 192.168.0.1. Just type it in the browser search menu, open it up and change your Wi-Fi channel to the best in your location. In my case, channel number 9 is the most congested and the worst signal. 8 and 10 are average and all other are good. So this way you can easily solve your flaky internet connection. Here you can see all the other routers are in range of my channel, so I might be having a bad internet experience. Every router has different kind of option settings, so I am not gonna show you how to specifically change settings of my model, but you can find the documentation easily online. Thanks for watching.